Hello and welcome everybody to part 3 of A Bird's Story. So, first of all, I'm very sorry that the cursor is on the screen. I play it with a controller and for some reason the moment I used my controller, the cursor decided to be at that point of the screen and I don't know why. And it doesn't go away, so I'm sorry. Well, anyway, we left off here in the Dreamland, probably, or in the Coma Land. I have no idea yet. Maybe it isn't even revealed in the end. I feel like it isn't revealed in the end. It's more like an artistic take on life, you know? Well, anyway, now let's go and fly away. Okay, let's first see. I see on the right is the town. And on the left is... Okay. I don't go to the left. Good to know. Well, what can I do? I can... Oh, I can speed up with space. Nice. That's cute. Cute. Although to be totally honest, I don't like big cities too much. I'm more like a, I like my little town. And, that's all I need, really. But nice. The view was really nice. Well done. Oh, I'm flying again. All right. Whoops. Was that supposed to happen? No. Okay. Oh my God. Are these the Alps, or is this Fuji-san, or I don't know. I guess this is in Austria or in Bavaria or in Switzerland. I guess it looks like the Alps, but no. On the other hand, many mountains look quite similar. What are these? Okay, Birdie doesn't like them too, so... Ha! Kill you dead! Oh, what was that in the upper corner? Did I collect something? I think I collected something. Alright, I didn't really pay attention. Well done me. So let's go on flying. This is so well drawn. Man, I love people who can draw that well. I'm always, to be honest, I'm a little bit jealous. I would love to be able to draw well, but, I'm not. Whoa, what is that? Is that spelling something? Or is this just... Okay, no, that's... Okay, this is just an island. Oh, another little island thingy. In the air, floating, because that's normal. Oh! Are we looking for his kind? His kind of bird. Oh, now I get it. We check each and every... Oh! We check each and every part of the world for Birdo's friends. That's cool. And kinda sad. I don't want him to leave, really. Oh, are you a desert bird? I don't think too many birds live in the desert, but, maybe some do. Okay, where's the little island thingy? Ah, there it is. I hope I didn't skip any part of the world. No, they don't really look like you too. But are you sure, game, that, white birds live in the Grand Canyon? I can't really imagine that. White birds are a pretty easy prey in the desert, I'd say. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. Subtropian, or do you say that like that in English? At least it looks kinda South American or something. Oh, you don't piss the birds off. It's their eggs. Okay, they don't look like you too. They actually look like the desert birds. But hey, man, someone really drew that. Or has drawn it. It's amazing. I'd really love to be able to draw like that. Oh, wait a minute, my mobile phone is going off. Alright, sorry for the interruption. Some people can't accept that I play video games and call me anyway, even though they should know better. Oh, Birdie, that wasn't your island too? Or either. Alright, at least all birds in the world look the same. Okay, is that really a thing? Or is this... This looks kinda like a, you know, a dreamland. But maybe that is a thing, I don't know. Maybe it looks from above, everything looks different, you know? So we couldn't find his race, or his kind of bird. Well, then you can stay with me, Birdie. I'm down with that. I really like you. Even though in reality, don't hate me, I'm not a birdman. I'm not a birdman. I'm not a human who likes birds too much. Whoa. Oh. Well, that comes in handy. The moon. Smile. Oh, that was cute. Turn off the lights. Whoa! God damn it, game, I told you in the last part. You should not jump scare me. Who are you? Are you mom? Are you jump scare mom? Or are you a kidnapper dude? Oh, or was he the doctor? I can't really remember anymore. Maybe he was the doctor and he was pissed off at me because I stole the bird. Well, not really steal it, but you know. Genius. Okay. Okay, now I'm kind of confused though. Who was that? Was that the doctor? It's like 3 weeks ago I played that. Okay, I'm here again. Birdie's still there? Yeah, he is. Great. Okay, but he isn't interested in me. In me. Oh. Okay. Still 7 o'clock. Okay. Hey, mysterious shadow figure, which disappeared. Okay. I don't like disappearing people. Come on, I'll get ya. Oh, maybe I don't. Okay. So, back in school. Maybe it was the teacher. Was it the teacher? Oh no, it wasn't the teacher. I guess it is the doctor. Yeah. Oh, Benny Hill. Oh, jeez. So many memories. Well, actually, I never watched Benny Hill. Really? Okay. Okay. I personally never watched Benny Hill. I think it's not really my time. It's more like the time of my parents. But you know. And you still know it, kinda. It's great. Oh my god. That Mario reference. Huh? Okay. Oh, are you the asshole that... Oh, are you me? Okay. You don't like me. Okay. Well, that was probably something meaningful, but I don't really understand. Huh. Oh, that was in the game. I was already wondering what's going on. Bye, Birdie. Oh, I don't want him to leave, really. Well, he probably should leave, but... I'm confused, though. What was that last scene? I don't really get what it was about. Yeah, it was the doctor. Yeah, of course. Of course it was the doctor. He was all in white. Who else is all in white? I'm a dumbass. Oh, does he want to bring him back? Was that maybe a manifestation of his, you know, like, of his adulthood? Or no, he was as big as me. Maybe some kind of, you know, the part in me that says the bird has to go somewhere where he belongs, or to somebody whom can help him. Well, let's first go outside. Maybe I can let him fly over here. No, I can't. Okay. It's like accepting fate. And this music really sounds like I'm walking right in the direction of the electric chair. Some note, my mother doesn't love me. No, take an umbrella with you. Okay, Dada. That's Latin for okay. Oh, I really opened my umbrella. Ella. Ella. E. Oh, look at how small the street is. Was it always that small? Or is it like I'm feeling down and my imagination is like destroyed or something? Maybe it was always like that and I just don't remember. What's wrong? Oh, the clinic, the hospital. Ah, there he is with the cage. It's probably for the better boy. Oh, I can't really go anywhere else. Is that him sitting on the benches with the bird? Oh, every step is memory, isn't it? Ah, there we're playing with a little plane. Oh, and there we are. Oh, yeah, right. He made friends with a bird. Well, sometimes you have to be reasonable, even if you are only a boy. Oh, does he run away with the bird? Well... Oh, that's his mom, I guess. No, it's the teacher. Whoa, I don't do that. It's the game who does that. Oh my god, I swear. Don't do anything... Ah, okay. You can still do that. Okay. I swear, if you wake up and you are in a coma because you jumped because of that bird, I'm quite angry with you, boy. Or maybe because it's raining, the paper plane will, you know, will fall down or something like that. Well, that wasn't probably the right decision, boy. Oh, the music definitely tells me that wasn't the right decision. Oh, he flies fastly by himself this time. Oh! Oh shit! Am I actually... Can I do something about that, or no, okay, I can't, I guess. Oh shit, oh shit! I can't do something about it, can I? No, I don't think so. Shit, 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 shit. Oh, darkness. Darkness consumed me. Oh. Oh, come on, boy. I bet the bird will save me. Let's bet right now. I hope at least. Otherwise we might have a problem. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, what is that about? Do I have to collect the pages? And where's the bird? Huh. Well, I guess that's up for the next part. And I guess the next part will probably be the final. So, thank you everybody for watching. And leave a comment if you like, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye bye.